Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the vibrant town of Claresholm, Alberta, a community that beautifully blends history, natural beauty, and a welcoming atmosphere. Claresholm was named after Clare, the wife of a Canadian Pacific Railway surveyor, and home, an Old English word meaning island or meadow. The town was established in the early 1900s when the railway expanded into the region, bringing new settlers and opportunities. Claresholm quickly grew into a bustling center for agriculture and commerce thanks to its fertile land and strategic location. Today, it maintains its small town charm while offering modern amenities and a friendly environment. Claresholm is situated in the foothills of the Canadian Rockies, surrounded by picturesque landscapes and rolling prairies. The area is known for its stunning views and abundant natural beauty, making it an ideal destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Claresholm has a rich history that is reflected in its well-preserved buildings and local landmarks. The Claresholm Museum is a great place to learn about the town's past, showcasing exhibits on the area's agricultural roots and the impact of the railway on its development. The town's historic downtown area features charming shops and eateries that invite visitors to explore and experience the local culture. Whether you're passing through or planning to stay a while, Claresholm offers a unique and charming experience that captures the essence of small-town Alberta. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Claresholm, Alberta. Thanks for watching.